Hey guys, Panda Productions back here again with a quick and easy BHOP macro tutorial for Valorant on Logitech G-Hub software. So here we are in the Logitech software, and we're just going to click on our device right here. I have a G402, you might have a different mouse, you might have the same mouse, but nevertheless just click right here, click on your mouse, and you want to go to assignments here. You want to go to macros, you want to hit create new macro. We're just going to title this Valorant BHOP. And then you want to make sure you click repeat while holding. And then you want to make sure you untick this use standard delays. You want to click on the plus here. You want to click record keystrokes. And you just need to press spacebar twice. I think even once would work. And then you want to go to this plus button here. And then you want to add another delay on the end. This is just going to be 25 milliseconds. This one is going to be 45 milliseconds. This one is going to be 25. And this one is going to be 45. As you can see, 45, 25, 45, 25. Now you want to save this. Make sure these arrows are in the right direction on your screen. Make sure it's down pressed, then release, then press, then release. And then you want to save. Now after you save, you want to just assign this macro to whichever button on your mouse you want. I personally like the back button. It's just more convenient for me. And now we're going to hop into Valorant and see how well this macro actually does. Alright guys, now that we are loaded up into Valorant, we're just going to do a quick B-hop. So the movement is actually just like you would in CSGO with my other macro. So to start B-hopping, you actually walk forward, then you jump with your macro and then start strafing. So as you can see, just like you would in CSGO, works just as well as the CSGO macro. And I'm just going to show off some of the V-hopping here. So, as you can see, works perfectly fine with the macro. And this should help greatly while you're playing Valorant. So guys, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and be sure to leave your thoughts on what new videos I should do on Valorant or Counter-Strike. Thanks for watching.